everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I've got a super exciting topic to dive into. We're talking all about achieving radiant, glowing and flawless skin. Yes, the coveted Korean glass skin look, and how you can get it fast and naturally. So if you're ready to glow, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get into it. Now, when we talk about glass skin, we're referring to that dewy, smooth and luminous complexion that looks like it's almost, well, made of glass. It's something we often see in Korean skincare routines, and it's all about hydration, nourishment, and, of course, consistency. Step 1 to glass skin, cleansing. Clean, fresh skin is the base of every great skincare routine. I recommend starting with a gentle, hydrating cleanser to remove makeup, dirt, and oil. The key here is to cleanse twice. First with an oil-based cleanser to break down makeup, then with a water-based cleanser to remove any remaining impurities. Next up, exfoliation. Now, this step isn't something you want to overdo, but exfoliating gently 2 to 3 times a week helps slough off dead skin cells, allowing fresh, radiant skin to shine through. A chemical exfoliant with AHA or BHA works best, but if you prefer a more natural route, an oatmeal or honey scrub can be just as effective. Step 3 is toning. After cleansing and exfoliating, your skin needs some hydration, and a good hydrating toner is key. Look for toners that are packed with ingredients like rose water, aloe vera, or even hyaluronic acid. These ingredients help balance your skin's pH and prep it for the next steps. Now, let's talk about the serum. Serums are packed with active ingredients that penetrate deep into your skin, giving you that extra boost. For that glass skin glow, I recommend serums with hyaluronic acid or vitamin C. Hyaluronic acid pulls moisture into the skin, giving you that plump, dewy look, while vitamin C brightens and evens out your skin tone. Now, never skip moisturizer. Even if your skin is oily, you still need a good moisturizer to lock in that hydration. Go for a lightweight, gel-based moisturizer if you have oily skin, or a richer cream if your skin is on the drier side. The goal here is to create a smooth, hydrated canvas. And of course, we can't forget sunscreen. Sunscreen is an absolute must to protect your skin from UV damage, which can cause premature aging and dullness. Always finish your routine with a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher. Trust me, this step is non-negotiable for glowing skin. Okay, so those are the key steps for getting radiant, glass skin. And the best part is, you can do it naturally. Now, while skincare products are important, there are also some natural ingredients you can incorporate into your routine. Aloe vera gel, honey, green tea. All of these have hydrating and anti-inflammatory properties that can help give you that glow from within. Here's a quick look at my skin before and after following this routine for just a few weeks. As you can see, the glow is real, but remember, patience is key. Achieving glass skin isn't an overnight process. It's about consistency and sticking to a routine. So, to wrap it all up, glass skin is all about hydration, nourishment, and protection. With the right routine, you'll start seeing results in no time. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on self-grooming and skincare. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay glowing and take care of yourself.